In this video, we'll solve a heating curve problem for a 24-gram cube of ice heated at a constant rate. We'll find two things: the specific heat capacity of liquid water and the specific latent heat of vaporization. First, let's recreate the heating curve. The horizontal axis is energy absorbed in kilojoules, and the vertical axis is temperature in degrees Celsius. To find the specific heat of liquid water, we focus on the segment where water is heating from 0 degrees to 100 degrees. On the graph, this happens from 10 kilojoules to 20 kilojoules, so the energy absorbed is 10 kilojoules. Now we use the formula Q equals mc delta T. The mass is 24 grams, or 0.024 kilograms, and the temperature change is 100 degrees Celsius. So C equals Q divided by m delta T. Next, we find the specific latent heat of vaporization. This is the flat plateau at 100 degrees where the energy goes into turning liquid into gas. The graph shows 56 kilojoules for this phase change. The formula for latent heat is Q equals m times L. So L equals Q divided by m. We use 56,000 joules and the same mass, 0.024 kilograms. So the specific heat capacity of liquid water from the graph is about 4,167 joules per kilogram per degree Celsius, and the specific latent heat of vaporization is about 2.33 times 10 to the 6 joules per kilogram. That's how you use a heating curve to compute thermal properties.